grew very tired. He read books, played with friends, rode on a swing, painted, played on the computer, ran around the house just to relax a bit, and then watched TV. When it was time to go to bed, the boy was so tired he barely had the strength to brush his teeth. Finally, he laid down, covered himself with a blanket, and tried to sleep. He could not sleep because he was too tired. Lo and behold, he saw a little man in a pointy hat with stars. The little man wore a yellow dressing gown and shiny blue slippers. He was sitting on the bed, dangling his feet. "Can't you sleep?" he asked. "I can't," the boy complained. "I'll help," the man said. "I know a fairy, the fairy of dreams. To fall asleep, you need to travel to her." "How can I?" the boy asked. "Besides, I'm under the blanket already." "In your mind, of course," the man replied. "I will tell you what to imagine and you will fly there in your thoughts." "Okay," the boy said. "Where should I fly, exactly?" "Exactly over the sea," the little man replied, "until you spot a green island. On that island, there is a white mountain. On that mountain, you will find out what to do." The boy imagined a blue sea and himself flying over it. Soon he saw an island, all green because of the grass and trees. On that island was a white mountain. The boy flew to that mountain. There he stood and looked around. Birds were chirping somewhere below the mountain. Then he saw a note lying on the stones. The boy already knew how to read, so he read the note. This is what he read. "Hello. It's me, the fairy of dreams. I am inviting you to the Emerald Planet. To travel there, you must build a spaceship, in your mind, of course." So, the boy imagined himself building a spaceship. When the spaceship was done, the boy flew into space. He looked at stars, planets, and asteroids for a while. Then he took a closer look, and there it was, the Emerald Planet. It was so beautiful. The rings around her were shiny and made of colorful pebbles. While the boy admired the rings, he almost forgot what he was looking for. But when he remembered, he saw the Fairy of Dreams palace. Her palace was a miracle, all wonderful and sparkling. There was a lot in it, toys, paintings, and talking animals. There were so many rooms you couldn't count them. Inside the palace, the boy saw the Fairy of Dreams. She looked like a very good teacher, like one everyone obeys even though they do not look strict. The boy went to the fairy and said, "Dear fairy, I'm so tired I can't sleep. What should I do?" The fairy smiled. Since you found me, you are already sleeping. And you slept all night while you were looking for me. Thank you for coming. Then the boy felt that he was sleeping and realized it was morning. He had such a good rest that he was ready to wake up. Using the last of his strength to sleep a little longer, he asked the fairy, "What should I do next time when I play too much, and it is hard for me to sleep?" "Now you know how to find me," said the fairy. "First the ocean, then the island, then the mountain. You will see my invitation there. Build a spaceship and visit me again." The end.
كانت هذه قصة اليوم. نتمنى تنال إعجابكم. إلا نالت إعجابكم متنساوش تشاركونا باللايك والاشتراك، وجزاكم الله عنا كل خير. ما تنساوناش بالدعوات الصالحة محتاجين لها. وجزاكم الله كل خير، بارك الله فيكم وفي جمعكم المبارك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.